Hello, this is Marudambal. We are come back again through the video. Now, I am going to tell one word, max. If I tell the word, suddenly you remembering numbers 1, 2, 3 like this. Then plus, minus, multiply, division like this. If I tell the word max means you suddenly remember numbers. Without numbers, we could not solve anything. Number is used for counting and calculating. Today, I am going to briefly explain one of the type of the number. Okay? Many type of numbers in mathematics. If you count the number means you have to start from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 10, 20, hundreds, 1000, 2000, 10,000, lakh, crore, million, billion, trillion. If you count the number, start from 1. That means 1, 2, 3. Like this, the name of the number is natural number. Natural number, the starting number is 1, 2, 3, etc. Then if you start the number from 0, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, the name of the number is whole number. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The next one is, you know the symbol positive and negative. Positive means you have to put the symbol plus. Negative means you have to put the symbol minus. So, these two types of symbols mingle together and form a number. It's called integer. What is it? Integer. Integer. Integer means 0 is the middle of the number. 0 is the middle of the number. In the right hand side, you have to write positive numbers. You have to write positive numbers. In the left hand side, you have to write negative numbers. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. If the positive numbers is called positive integers, the negative numbers is called negative integers. These numbers mingle together, it's called integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. That means 0 is the common for positive integers and negative integer. The next one is rational number. Rational number means you have to write the fraction form. Already you learned the previous class. Fraction. Fraction means the form of the fraction. How we will write fraction? Yes, division method. You have to write the number in the splitted manner. That means numerator and denominator. Today I am going to briefly explain. The topic name is rational number. Rational number. This is the another type of the number, that is rational number. Rational number means it's a form of fraction type. Okay. Here already I'll remembering natural numbers is denote the letter n. Natural number is denoted by n and whole number is denoted by W. Whole number is denoted by W and integer is denoted by I. Integer is denoted by I or Z. Here now the rational number. Rational number is denoted by Q. What is it? Q. Rational number is denoted by Q. Rational number is denoted by Q. Okay. Rational number, rule of the rational number. It is a form of P by Q. This is the first rule. This is the form of P by Q. That means it is a fraction form. The above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. Second one is P and Q is a integers. P and Q is an integers. P and Q is an integers. Integer means both the numbers comes under positive numbers or negative numbers. The third rule is, it is one of the most important, Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. P is equal to 0 but Q is not equal to 0. The denominator part, it never comes under 0. Other than positive integer, except 0 you have to write positive integers and negative integer. This is the rule of rational number. The form of the rational number is P by Q. P and Q is an integers. Integer means both positive numbers and negative numbers comes. Q is not equal to 0. Never write 0 in Q's place. Okay. Now I am going to explain three form of rational number. Three form of rational number. That is, first one is equivalent form. First one is equivalent form. Equivalent form means you have to get the answer equal to the question. You have to get the answer equal to the question. For example, P by Q means you have to multiply 1 in the numerator and denominator place. So the answer is P by Q. So you have to get the same answer. The question and answer, it's same. This is called equivalent form. For example, 2 by 5. What is it? 2 by 5. Now I am going to multiply by 2. I am going to multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Now I am going to cross numerator and denominator. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So you have to get the same answer. This is called equivalent form. This is called equivalent form. Next, standard form. Next, standard form. Standard form means you have to convert the given number in the lowest term. You have to convert the given number in the lowest term. That means, for example, and the given number 45 by 70. The given number is 45 by 70. You have to find the lowest term of the given number. What's the term? Lowest term. You have to simplify the two number. So we used HCF. That means HCF, highest common factor. You have to find HCF for the both number. So solution 45, 70. Already you learnt in your previous class. 5, 14, 2 table 7. So you have to write the multiples of 45. That is 5, 3, 3. 5, 3, 3. Then 70 means multiple of 70 is 5, 2, 7. Now we are going to find HCF. What is the abbreviation of HCF? Yes, that is highest common factor. Which one is common? 3, it's not comes another time. 2 is not come another time. 7 is not come another time. But 5 is comes under the same. So 5 is a common factor. 5 is a common factor. Now you have to divide 5 in the both number. So 45 divided by 5 and 70 it's also divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 means the answer is 9. 9 5s are 45. 70 divided by 5 means you have to get the answer 14. So 9 by 14 is the lowest form of 45 by 70. Already I will explain again. 45 by 70 standard form means you have to get the lowest form of the given number. So you have to find the HCF of the given number. Now 45 means 9 5s are 45, 9 3 3s are 9. 70, 14 5s are 70, then 7 2s are 14. Then you have to write the multiples of 45, 5, 3, 3. Then multiples of 70, 5, 2, 7. Then you have to find the common factor. Which one is common in the both term? That is 5. This 5 is called HCF. So you have to divide 5 in the given number. 45 divided by 5, that is 9. 70 divided by 5, that is 14. You have to convert the lowest term of the given number. This is called standard form. Okay. The third one is comparing the number. Comparing the numbers means they give two type of rational numbers. They give two type of rational number. You have to find which one is greater or which one is smaller. Okay. Here 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. You have to find which one is greater. Two method is using in the comparing the numbers. The first one is method 1. Second, here method 2. Method 1, it's very easiest, that is 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. How to put the symbol? then you have to cross multiplication method. You have to use cross multiplication method. That is 2 4s are 2 into 4 and 3 into 5. 2 into 4 and 3 into 5. You have to put a box, empty box in the middle of the between the number. 4 2s are 8. 5 3s are 15. Which one is greater? Yes, 15. You have to put the greater symbol faced on the 15. So 8. The question of 8 is 2 by 5 and 15 3 by 4. You have to write the number under the answer. So the greater number is 3 by 4. Method 1. You have to using cross multiplication method. 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. You have to cross multiply. 2 into 4 and 3 into 5. You have to put empty box between the numbers. 2 4s are 8. 3 5s are 15. Which one is greater? 15 is a greater number. So you have to put the symbol, greater symbol faced on 15. So you have to write the question under the answer. 8 under 2 by 5 and 15 under 3 by 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. The greater number is 3 by 4. This is the comparing the number. The another one is 2 by 5 and 3 by 4 means you have to find the LCM of the number, LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So you have to write like this. The LCM number is under the denominator. 5 means you have to multiply by 4 in the numerator place and the denominator place. 4 2s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. Like this, 3 by 4. You have to write in the denominator place 20. So you have to write 5 5. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. The same answer, but in this method if you did not write the denominator form, but in this method you have to write numerator and denominator form. So you have to write the answer 8 by 20 and 15 by 20. Write the question below the answer 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. Which one is greater? Similarly 15 by 20 and the answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a greater than 2 by 5. This is the comparing the number. So once again I repeated many types of numbers in maths. Today I explained some types, that is natural number, whole number, integer. Now our topic is rational number. Natural number means starts from 1, 2, 3. Whole etc. Whole number means start from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Integer means both positive numbers and negative numbers mingle together. That is 0, it's the middle of the number, and the right side is positive integers 1, 2, 3. Left side is negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3. Natural number is a symbol n, whole number symbol w, integer symbol I or z. Rational number symbol is q. Rational number symbol is q. Okay. 3 form of the rational number, that is equivalent form, standard form, comparing the number. Equivalent form means you have to get the same answer. That means p by q means you have to get the same answer p by q. Already you learned the example 2 by 5. Then standard form means you have to convert the given number in the lowest term. That means 45 by 70 already I taught you 45 by 70. You have to using HCF method. Find the HCF for the numerator and denominator. then you have to divide the number numerator and denominator by the HCF. Then you find the lowest form of the given number. The third one is comparing the number. Comparing the number means they give two numbers. You have to find which one is greater. So you used two methods. One type is cross multiplication. The another type is find the LCM method. Cross multiplication means you have to cross left hand side and right hand side, then multiply and you find which one is greater. LCM method means you have to find the LCM for denominator. Denominator means 5 by 5 and 4. LCM of 5, 4 is 20. So you have to find like this. The answer is 8 by 20 and 15 by 20. You have to easiest find 50 by 20 is a greater. So the answer is 3 by 4. This is the rational numbers. Thank you.